Today, I will show you step-by-step procedure to renew your GMDSS.
First and most important thing, use Firefox Mozilla to avoid any errors. Type in Bharatkosh. Click on the first link, which is bharatkosh.gov.in. Scroll down and click on Login. Please provide your credentials and click on Submit. If you have not registered yourself, click on New User and register yourself. Now go to Make Your Payment and select Receipt for DOT. Here, the depositors category will be selected automatically as individual. Now click on Purpose. Once the next window pops up, type in GOC. Here you will get an option as GOC GMDSS. Select it and click on Search. Now you will get one more option, GOC GMDSS License Renewal Fees Proficiency Certificate. Please select on it and wait for the window to settle up. Now Ministry will be selected automatically. Now PAO and DDO has to be selected as per the certificate issuing authority. Please make sure that you select correctly. Now enter the amount as per your requirement for renewal. In remarks, please give your GOC number, INDOS number, and last, GOC license renewal fees. Enter the CAPTCHA and click Add. Now you will see all the details of the entries which you have made. Please re-verify them and click on Next. Once you click on Next, you will see all the details of your address, phone number, email. Please check again thoroughly and click on Next. Now you will have next window as Payment Mode, Online, your details and purpose details, showing also payment frequency one time and the amount. Click on Confirm and now you will get option to make the payment by following gateways. Please select and make the payment. Also make sure that you don't forget to download the receipt in PDF format.
Lastly, documents required. First, application form COP23, duly attested by gazetted officer. Make sure it is neatly and clearly filled along with the stamp. Number 2, copy of CDC or proof of experience of not less than 6 months in last 5 years. Again, duly attested by gazetted officer. Third, copy of COC duly attested by gazetted officer. Fourth, copy of GMDSS GOC duly attested by gazetted officer. Number 5, Bharatkosh payment receipt. Number 6, a self-addressed envelope with 50 rupees stamp. Now, there are 5 regional licensing offices RLO throughout the India. Please make sure you select the correct address as per your GMDSS license issued last. Thank you.